Hi, welcome to MarineMax Fort Myers. Today we're going to walk through our 2020 Boston Whaler 23 Vantage. This is a new boat that we just got in. So you can see it's all white with a hard top. Powered by a 300 Mercury Verado V8. Alright, so now we're going to walk up inside the boat here. Like I said, it is powered with a 300 Mercury Verado V8. These are the newer engines by Mercury. Very quiet, very fuel efficient, very little vibration. Easy access right there to check the oil. All other outboards you have to pop off the cowling. So that's a very nice feature. This boat has great layout for friends, family, entertaining, but you can still fish it as well. Fold up this back transom seat here. And now you have a nice deck area to do some bottom fishing. The port side seat here can be converted into a lounge. Fold that down. Now you have an aft facing lounge, but you can also put up this backrest. Now you can face forward. Wet bar area with a cooler. Raymarine GPS, Winco trim tabs, Fusion stereo, fully equipped with all your electronics. This is the head compartment. Plenty of room in there. Pump out head. Tons of room on the bow for seating. You have a bow freshwater washdown and a nice big anchor locker, which you'll notice even the anchor locker is fully finished on the Boston Whalers. If you'd like to learn more about this boat or see it in person, please visit us at MarineMax Fort Myers. Thanks and have a great day.